How to fix your Ring camera not detecting motion. So if it isn't detecting motion, the common causes are the motion detection is turned off, the camera is offline, there's low motion sensitivity, or sensitivity, there's incorrect motion zones, motion schedules, or things similar to that. So the first thing you can try is to check if the camera is online. You can check it out in the app itself. You can open the app to see if the camera is online, and if it is, you can reconnect it to Wi-Fi first because the camera cannot detect motion while offline. So do that if it is offline, of course. So the next thing you can do is to turn on motion detection, just in case it is off. So go ahead inside the Ring app. Right here, you can find your cameras. You're gonna press on the three dots on your camera, and then you'll get into the screen. You're gonna open the device settings, and then make sure your motion detection is turned on. You can also go ahead here into motion settings. So press on motion settings, then you'll see this section. You'll be able to see the entirety of the motion settings, but you can focus here on the edit button. Once you press on edit, you can somewhat adjust what kind of zone or what area of the camera that is seeing, what the camera is seeing, manually. So you can set it up over here, the motion sensitivity and everything else. So here you can make sure the area you want to monitor, like your door, driveway, or gate even, is inside the selected zone. And then you can also increase the motion sensitivity, which we did already mention. So we say this since Ring also say that if your device is missing some motion events, increasing motion sensitivity can help as well. But other than that, you can also go ahead and check for schedules, updates, and try restarting the camera. So make sure the motion schedules are not stopping alerts. You can update the Ring app and your phone, then restart or power cycle the camera. But those are a few things you can do if you are having with the motion in your Ring camera. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.